Hey everyone, I am Ramon, and I am the owner of Vicious Cycles here in Abilene, Texas. Me, family, do motorcycle repair and maintenance for the greater part of West Texas, Abilene, just west of Dallas. There's a couple of bike shops out here that do similar to what we do, but we try to say we're probably one of the better ones. We specialize in about everything, so we can do dirt bikes and four wheelers and Harleys, and we've done everything from collision repair to whatever. This has been kind of a family run type deal. I've usually worked by myself. I'll hire somebody on 4 or 5 months, and they usually move on, go elsewhere, just because they're seeking different things. I do enjoy working on this stuff. Now, I'm an aircraft mechanic, I'm a diesel mechanic, I'm an industrial mechanic, and I also do this. Been doing this since 2003, the motorcycle stuff. About 2004, we grabbed a shop, and me and a business partner ran off into doing this. But as the time has gone by, this has been fun. I got two younger kids, I got two older kids. And I've realized I've spent a lot of time in this place working on bikes for customers. A lot of them are very grateful that we do what we do, and others not so much. So I've been thinking, I have a lot of overhead. I own two buildings, this one and a building next door, quite a bit of square footage. And the one thing I've realized is I have a lot of overhead, and I don't enjoy paying as much to make money. So I would like to invite y'all to follow me here for the next couple months as I transition from my shop, which is fully paid for. Tire machines, weld machines, fabrication. I got a paint shop in the back, hydro dip machine, and we are going to transition into something more mobile. I'm going to take the family with me, and we're going to start doing a mobile motorcycle repair and bounce around from city to city, enjoying the sights, and hopefully making some money along the way so we can afford this. Probably going to start off with a box truck, and then we're going to be doing more of a permanent thing in a mobile home with maybe a 30-foot trailer. I'm not sure yet, but taking my tools, my equipment, and everything that I have in my possession that I will need in order to do this on the road. The idea is to spend more time with the family, enjoy the time we have, and get to see the country a little bit, because this is not just going to be city here in Texas. We're going to be moving possibly to every state that will let us have us there. Don't know what it's going to look like to start off with, other than try to take in as many appointments as possible. We'll be doing more of the servicing, tires, possible some smaller repairs. I'm going to try to stay away from the larger stuff that I've been doing, rebuilding transmissions and redoing top ends and stuff like that, stuff that just takes a little longer. I don't want to get stuck on any job particularly, but that being said, we may possibly take on some bigger stuff if the place is worth it. Take on a larger job, stay a week, do that, and then move on, and continue to enjoy the road and enjoy helping people along the way, getting their bikes up and going. This does not exclude any make, year, model. I have manuals for everything. I work on a lot of stuff. I got a lot of specialty tools, from the metric stuff and the domestic. We got Harley specialized tools. We got stuff for the Kawasaki's, the Hondas, and even some of the more odds and ends of the weirder ones. But we definitely want to provide a service for a reasonable price while being mobile. So for you guys that are not near any of these independent shops, I'm going to be coming to you, and we may be in a centralized location, or if possible we may even be in your front door. So we'll see, but I'd like to invite y'all to follow me along this adventure. My wife is on board. I got two small kids that we're going to be taking with us and homeschooling in the long run. For the short term, we're going to be doing weekend trips, vacation trips, and stuff like that, and take the trailer or box truck with us and enjoy the time we have. So I invite you once again, and definitely comment, man, if you have something out there that I'm just not looking at and seeing that this may not work out for me. Well, I'm open to opinions, but as of right now, I think I'm just about had it with being stationary here. And I look forward to moving around and making something of this on the road. So thank you, and we'll see what we come. We're going to be putting videos up. I got a truck lined out right now, and we're going to be doing some repairs to it and getting it up and legal and on mobile. And then we're going to slowly dwindle down through all what I have here. I think I'm going to have a sort of a base station here for a while until I figure this out, and then we're going to just go fully on the road. I mean, leave the house, take the kids on the road, and do this full time. So thank you. Vicious Cycles, Abilene, Texas.